Hello, welcome to my video resume. I am Shohan Ahmed. I am 20 years old. I have passed my ACC exam Muchoshango Uccho Vidyalaya and I GPA was 3.89, and also I have passed my ACC exam from Shabar Government College and obtained GPA 4.25. Now I am a student of Daffodil International University and my degree name is Bachelor of Business Administration. I recently noticed that you are looking for a accounting teacher for your school. I think I am a perfect choice for this position. I love to do tricky maths like journal, ledger, trial balance sheet. During my university life, I have participated in many math competition and got first place. I also teach my juniors. I have lot of experience in teaching and my aim is to pursue my career in this professional. I wish we have a face-to-face interview. Thank you for watching my video resume.